your chapter number 3rd, operation with large numbers. In that, all operations, basic operations, mathematical or basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These sums we have seen, and today we are going to your next chapter, that is your tests of divisibility. Yes my dear, what do you mean by divisibility? Yes, here a divisibility rule, or it can be read as divisibility, and a divisibility rule is a shorthand way of determining whether a given number is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing a division. Without performing the division, we can check whether that number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3 or not. Okay, that we are performing, and usually by examining its digits. Okay, now I'll give an example here. Whether this number 23,498, whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Without doing division, this number is divisible by 2 or not. How to check? Yes or else 43,293 is divisible by 3 or is divided by 3. Yes, without division. In the previous class, in the division chapter, we have seen, we have did this division sum and get the quotient and remainder. But without division, how to check or it is divisible? This number is, whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check this? We can learn in this class. We have some divisible rules are there. We will one by one we can study and get the knowledge about divisibility tests, okay, or divisibility rules. Okay, then come with me. We will study the next. We are going to discuss our divisibility rules. Already you know that what we mean by divisibility. Okay, these are the first one by one. We will learn divisibility rules. First one is divisibility by 2. Okay. Yes. Suppose one number is there. I will take same number. This one. Example 23,498. This number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, tell me. Is divisible by 2 or not? How to check? We have one rule, that is divisibility by 2. The first rule is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2. If any one number is there, that number is divisible by 2 means the condition is if the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. For example, here example 28,093. Is it divisible by 2 or not? Just we can check their ones place. In the ones place 3 is there, but the rule is telling that in the last digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. These type any numbers are there means that number is divisible by 2. Okay. Without division we can perform, we can say it is divisibility by 2 or not. Then the second one is divisibility by 5. The rule is telling that a number is divisible by 5. The condition is if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Like this. Examples here 29,195. Yes, in the ones place or in the last digit, it is the last digit is 5. So 5 is there means it can be divisible by 5. Or next 2,38,100. 2,38,100. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, of course, because of in the last digit 0 is there. So this number is 2,38,100 is divisibility by 5. Then the next rule is third one, divisibility by 10. Tell a number is divisible by 10. If a number is divisibility by 10 or divisible by 10, if the last digit is always or should be 0. Like this examples, we can see here 4,380, 2,910 and 3,520. Like this, these examples. In the last digit always 0 is there, means that numbers are divisible by 10. But this number, what about this number? 28,032. 28,022. 28,022 is divisible by 10. Is it divisible by 10? Tell me. No. Our answer is no, because of in the last digit 2 is there, not 0. That's why this number is not divisible by 10. Next, fourth one is divisibility by 3 and 9. Yes, my dear, here a number is divisible by 3 or 9. If any number, take example. Yes, this is the example 2,839. Yes, it is if this number is divisible by 3, if the sum of its digits is also divisible by 3. Yes, if sum of its digits means we can add all the digits. We can add these 4 digits, 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. What we will get? Yes, add these two numbers. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. But this 22 is divisible by 3. In the table of 3, 22 is there, not there. That's why this number 2,839 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next one example 47,203. First of all, what you do, you can add all digits. 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. What is the sum of these 5 digits? Yes, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 0, 13 plus 0, again 13, 13 plus 3, 13 plus 3, 16. Also 16 is also not divisible by 9. Okay. Next, one more example on this 3 and 9. Now I'll give 27. 27, is it divisible by 9? Of course. First of all, what you do? 2 plus 7. Add these two digits. 2 plus 7 becomes 9. 9 is divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9 ones are. Now the answer is 1. Like this, we can add this 689. Yes, first of all, we can add all the 3 digits. 6 plus 8 plus 9. Then 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 is divisible by 3 or 9? No, 23 is not divisible by 3 or 9. That's why this divisibility rule by divisibility by 3 and 9 by of 23 is not holds good. Now here next in the Next class we will continue our divisibility rules for what about divisibility by 4, divisibility by 7, divisibility by 8, 11, 13, 25. Okay, these we will continue in the next class. Until then, watch the video and take care. Bye bye.